Hello everyone. GetResponse is an all-in-one email marketing platform that can help you grow your business. GetResponse is easy to use, even for beginners. It comes with a drag-and-drop email builder, pre-made templates, and a variety of features to help you create and send effective email campaigns. GetResponse also offers a wide range of marketing automation features, so you can send targeted emails to your subscribers based on their behavior and interests. This can help you save time and improve your results. Here are just a few of the things you can do with GetResponse. Create and send beautiful email campaigns. Automate your email marketing. Create and manage landing pages. Build and manage your email list. Track the results of your campaigns. GetResponse is used by businesses of all sizes, from startups to Fortune 500 companies. It's a powerful tool that can help you grow your business and reach your marketing goals. If you're looking for an email marketing platform that's easy to use and packed with features, we highly recommend GetResponse. Sign up for a free trial today by clicking on the link given below and see for yourself how GetResponse can help you grow your business.